what's up guys? It's Travis from SIMPLE.C10. Over the past 5 years, I've spent all my spare time building C10s and sharing all that information with the C10 community. And that's how SIMPLE.C10 started. I just wanted to show people the simple way to build their truck. And I'm going to tell you all about the story, but first I want to introduce you to the team here at SIMPLE.C10. Dude, we just hit 100K. Oh, David boy. No, man, you gotta go lower. So SIMPLE.C10 may seem like this big organization or business online because of the videos and the followers and stuff that I have, but it's still just one man with a simple vision. It's to encourage and empower the C10 community by offering parts, resources, and do-it-yourself videos. The main goal of the website is to be a one-stop shop for all C10 parts. So I offer over 400 parts now, and anywhere from air ride suspension, LS swaps, inner fenders, hood hinges, anything that you're gonna need for your C10 build. Another way that I help the C10 community is by offering resources. One of my most popular resources is the Air Ride Guide. So I created a step-by-step guide on how to bag your C10. Starts out with a shopping list and it goes into detail each step with a do-it-yourself video to take all the guesswork out of bagging your C10. I have them available from 60 all the way up to 87 currently, and I'm continuing to add more videos often. In addition to air ride guides, I have guides for LS swaps, trim templates, lowering, anything that you're gonna need to help you with your truck. And the third thing is my do-it-yourself YouTube videos. It's probably what I'm most known for is my step-by-step videos with installing air ride suspension, LS swaps, your vintage air, Dakota digital gauges, and a lot of other videos, over 300 videos on YouTube to show you step-by-step how to do this stuff. So make sure to check out YouTube, hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate it. Over the past few years of helping people build their trucks, one of the things that I hear the most often is, Travis, I want to build a truck, but I'm not sure exactly what parts to get. So one of the things that I offer now is called a personalized build plan. And all that is we're going to discuss your build. You're going to talk about the history of your truck, kind of what the vision for the future is for the truck. I'm going to take notes and write down everything that you're going to need, and I'm going to send it to you. So I'm going to link all the parts, all the videos that you're going to need to watch, and I'm going to send you a quote of everything that you're going to need to build your truck. It takes all the guesswork out of it, and it really gives you the confidence to build your truck. And it doesn't stop with you just buying the parts from me. That's where it begins. From then on, you have me as a resource with your build. You can text me, you can call me, email me, however you want to communicate, but I am a resource for you to connect with to make sure everything goes smooth with your build. If you're interested in a personalized build plan, feel free to reach out to me. You can text me, call me, email me. All my information is on the website, but don't hesitate, reach out. I would love to be a part of your build. Guys, I just want to end this video by saying thank you. Thank you so much for all the support, all the encouragement over the last 5 years. I couldn't have done any of this without you. So thank you for that. And if you ever need help with anything, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be there and help you as much as I can. But thanks for watching the video. Thanks for being a part of SIMPLE.C10. This isn't just a business, this is a community, and that's really how I look at it. So I hope to meet you one day. If I haven't yet, I'll see you at the shows coming up this year, but I hope you have a great day.